No speech? Is it?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here not to really honor Brian for his birthday. That was just a ploy. What we really are here tonight is to honor Brian as a person, a dancer, and a leader who spends his time sharing what he has learned in a dance environment with other people. I am one of his dance partners, and he will dance with a beginner, he will dance with a senior citizen, he will dance with a lonely lady sitting in a corner before he even asks me to dance. So this is the kind of person he is, and that is why he is being honored tonight by the studio and by us. Because Brian, you are very special. He has a very special meaning in mind with his dancing, and he told me about that. He said, if I can share and give something to someone who is not such a very good dancer, the feeling that they can be a better dancer, then I have achieved something. And when I heard that, we all need to heed that and learn that lesson, because we all are very, very selfish in our own ways, and I am one of the first.